Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are talking about how to remove the lipstick stain from the clothes. So I will share with you a fantastic tip through which you can remove the lipstick stain easily from your clothes. What you need is glycerin hand sanitizer that contains alcohol because alcohol plays an important role in removing the stains. So you should take hand sanitizer that is having alcohol, and glycerin you can take any. So here I have taken glycerin hand sanitizer that is having alcohol, and lipstick, some cotton, water and a cloth. So I will show you a quick demo to remove lipstick stain from the clothes. Like you can see here, I am putting the lipstick mark on this cloth. And now first of all you need to take some cotton. Here you can see I have taken some cotton. Now first take some glycerin over to the cotton. And apply it all over to the stain. And apply some glycerin directly over to the lipstick stain like this. And with the help of cotton, just spread it all over. Let it sit for at least few seconds so that lipstick stain get automatically diminished. After this, I will be taking hand sanitizer that is having alcohol, and again with the help of cotton only, just directly apply some hand sanitizer over to the lipstick stain like you can see, and let it sit for at least 1 minute. Now in the cotton I am putting some hand sanitizer, and you need to gently rub it like this in circular motion over to the lipstick stain for at least 1 to 2 minutes because it will take time. Like you can see whether you are having any liquid lipstick stain or any other lipstick, this tip will work on all kinds of lipstick stain. Like you can see it is getting diminished. After this we'll apply some more glycerin over to the stain, and again let it sit for at least few seconds so that the glycerin get easily absorbed all over to the stain part. With the help of cotton, rub it like this. The combination of both the ingredients are very beneficial in removing the lipstick stain from any kind of clothes. Now you can see the glycerin and the sanitizer is absorbed all over to the cloth. Now lastly we need to apply the hand sanitizer again all over to the affected area. Now you can see, let it sit for few seconds, and with the help of finger you can gently spread it all over to the cloth. Now with the help of cotton, again you need to remove or rub in circular motion, and you can see the lipstick stains are getting diminished properly. Now the next step is to dip the stain part into the water, and you need to rub it like this. There is no need to use any kind of chemical compounds to use it. Just dip it for at least 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes all the lipstick stain will get diminished properly. You can see the lipstick stains are lighter than before. So after 5 minutes all the stain will get properly diminished. So I hope friends you like this video. You just need 2 ingredients to remove the lipstick stain, and after 5 minutes you will get wonderful results. Just use both these ingredients to remove lipstick stains from the clothes. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.